Hello, Martin. My name's Arthur Osland, and I'm the creator of the trail cameras for the Amazonian rainforest GoFundMe. And I've been traveling in the Amazon for about 20 years, since 2003. And I've made at least 10 trips, various places in the Amazon, but I focused in on this one area on the upper Aripuna River. There's about 1,000 acres there that I have permission to use for research. I have a great curiosity about what's happening, and I set out trail cameras and found out that, and then I accidentally made a connection with some guys at the university, Federal University of Amazonas, working with biologists there, and so we're trying to raise money, and along with it, I'm getting ready to make a trip. Probably scheduled just tentatively on October the 10th of 2020 to make about a 14-day trip, which similar to what I've done in the past. Going down, setting out trail cameras, going up, meeting with the guys at the university, doing some fishing and general tourism. Take a boat trip down the Madeira River, which is fascinating to me. So anyway, we're going to start off now with some snapshots, and I will put in a little bit of commentary on each snapshot and kind of walk through some of the things that might be possible on an eco tour. About a 2 to 3 week eco tour, just where I go and imitating, putting cameras out into the Amazon rainforest, seeing trail cameras, and seeing what we get and the results. And so here we go. Thanks. Bye. Well, here's a map of where we're headed. The two yellow tacks show trail camera location and the location of the university. Well, this is the dry season in Manaus. In other words, it's all relative. Instead of raining all the time, it just rains some of the time. It's a nice museum outside of Manaus. Very nice eco museum. Here's a butterfly that I photographed at the museum. Here's a street scene in Manaus right next to the theater. Here's a room that I had in Portobello. Meal that I had in Portobello, nice restaurant there. Here's the transportation that I took, utilized local transportation. This is sunrise across the Madeira River. This is the only sign of fire that I saw during my trip. Here we're at the Eco Lodge. Guys getting a little fresh fruit. Some Brazilian fishermen and myself at the Eco Lodge. Here's some drinks that they served for us. I just took a picture of them. There's a guy in the forest. He looks a little lost, but I see he has a GPS unit with him, and he's wearing my t-shirt, so I guess it's okay. There's a puma stalking in. You can see him coming in there. This is a puma track. This is seen on the Rio Aripuna. This is a meeting room at the lodge. Pool table at the lodge. This is the docks at the lodge again, and that's the Rio Aripuna. There's some dinner. This is the university inside. So a little bit more of the university interior, another outside part, great palm trees. This is part of a ranch along the river. This is the locations that we're talking about. Indicate the university and the location of the cameras.